Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Droppers Down Under, where we are about travelling around Australia and going places that are new to us on roads less travelled.
Sometimes you'll see our fur babies, Charlie, Delilah and Bella, as we try to take them along, trying to find some great free camping spots.
Whether it is cooking on a campfire, walking the beaches, exploring the outback or staying in a van park, we will bring you along.
So if you like our content, please hit the subscribe button as it really helps our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Hey guys, we're just in the car, not far out of Lightning Ridge now, where we're going to spend 3 nights at a caravan park there. So we're back on home turf.
Yep, crossed the border about 20 minutes ago.
Yep.
After passing Reheble.
So Queensland did put it on for us. It was really good.
Didn't get better weather.
Yeah, so it was lovely. But coming back into New South Wales means the end of our holiday. So we've probably only got about another week and a half. And yeah, so we'll make the most of what we've got. So
Before back to work.
yeah, before another year back at work. So, but hopefully during this year we'll take lots of shorter trips and do as much as we can. So
We're going to do a walkthrough still too.
yeah, we do. So we will get there.
Keep putting it off.
We keep putting it off, but just got to clean the caravan.
I was
And,
going to say, yeah. Caravan's never clean enough to do it.
so we will get there, but yes,
Dusty and dirty old caravan. at the
it
moment.
is at the moment, yeah.
I do believe we're coming up to the turn off.
Yeah.
Turn left onto Bill O'Brien Way. Continue for 5 kilometers.
Got a photo of it now?
It's up to you.
May as well. Let's go and get a photo, guys. Hey guys, just at Lightning Ridge, and Nain's found herself a lolly shop, which is good. She's in there spending the last of our money. There's an old cottage next to it here. Have a go at this old place. Dentist apparently. Sheep. Oh, here you go. Oh, another bag of goodies. She found the lolly shop. I'll just tell anybody how you were in the lolly shop.
The sheep stick.
There we go, this. Pretty cool.
This is very cool.
Very, very cool. Cooper's Cottage, built 1916. Private gun mining. So there we go there. Yeah, just thought I'd show you guys this. We're going to go do some of these car tours soon. It's a dainty old shack. I'll show you around the back of it. There's only one window, there's another window here, look, you can see the back of it. Here we go. Looking towards the front. Unbelievable. Huh. There you go. So that's I'd have to say probably the original Dennis. Probably for Australia. It's quite nifty. There you go. We'll check back in when we do these car door tours.
So we've come all the way out here, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's hidden right down the back of somebody's property is an old train carriage. Now trust Craig to spot it out.
I want the number. Look at that. Look at this.
So we're just pulling up over here because there's a whole lot of old stuff. Yeah, but that's not the dump bed.
You won't see a Ford or a Mitsubishi in there. Jack Murray Corner. First recorded overmine, 1901. Wow. So I wonder if that's where he actually got his Opel from, this corner. Or they discovered it. The information centre's just up there. Turn right here. It's my railway carriage there, look. Now we're going to go and find some of these car door tours. Dump there. This way. Let's follow the sun. This is our caravan park, by the way.
Here's our caravan.
We managed to find one that's got a bottle-o.
Bottle-o, bistro, pub. Best. So we are doing the yellow car door tour.
Number 3.
And we just made it to number 3 yellow car door, and what it says here is that there's stone miners' cottages from the early era when people took time to build their homes. I don't know, they all look pretty crappy to me, but anyway,
What?
pretty crappy. Hey, who am I to judge?
Oh, right, that looks all stone.
Now, number 4 is the stone off-grid miners' camps use solar power, fuel-powered generators, wind power, and even candlelight. So we're coming up to number 4 now. There's like windmills and solar panels and lots of stuff out here. So I get what they're saying, definitely. 2 cars just zoomed past us.
Yeah, we're going a bit too slow.
We like doing slow.
I like slow.
Yeah, I like slow.
There's another. So we've pulled up at that open cut mine. Just show you a bit of a pan around at the area. Wow, unbelievable. You're a long way from pretty much everything here. A bit of storytelling about it up here. Some old cars as well. Check that out. Glove box is open. Someone left the glove box open. Tractor. The other car again. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
One of Australia's most popular authors took out his miner's right in October 1909 at Lightning Ridge and began his writing career by sending paras to publications, often using the pen name Guga. Iron Jack, Lewin Idris, 1889 to 1979. This is Lunatic Hill, they call it. Oval mine site rehabilitation. Shows you where you are. Surveillance cameras in use, obviously. Lunatic Hill open cut. Look at the old photos.
Yeah.
Largest open cut opal mine in New South Wales and one of the richest sources of precious black opal ever found. Wow. So there you go.
Pretty cool.
Look at all that, everyone. It's a bit of plant life growing back, this red stuff.
Yeah, it's all there.
Almost looks like bloody desert pea, but it's not.
No, it's not. But they're doing a rehabilitation there.
Yeah, that's I just showed that. It's freaking fantastic. It shows how big it is, eh? Open cut mine. All in search of the famous black opal. That's cool. Impressed?
I'm impressed. Yeah.
I'm a little bit impressed. Quietly impressed.
Yeah,
Quietly impressed.
it's awesome. That's a lot of digging.
Yeah, there's a lot of digging, especially from the time it was dug.
Yeah.
Didn't have diggers like we have today. Yeah, so that's Lunatic Hill.
Yeah.
Everybody. Just pause this now.
Definitely worth having a look at, I think, anyway.
Got some great deal on the Falcon over there.
Yeah. That's where they all come out to dive.
Got a mine shaft here, look. This is how they make mine shafts safe.
Yep, that's a safe mine shaft, that one. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Very deep. You don't realise how deep it is.
Cars.
Yeah. Like they're old. Like they're really old. And the caravan. It's a door up one. Now we're doing the red card door tour. It says first stop the Clark for information of the first settlement site. This is number 2, drive straight ahead. Turn left at the third door. These are all private homes. So it says do not approach. On the left is a home built from stone and bottle. not sure if you can get out. I don't know. Because it doesn't.
Slow right down, you can see it there. Pretty cool. And cans. That's the one out of bones.
It literally is all stone and bottles. It is pretty cool.
This place. Ridge Castle bus stop. The Ridge Castle Kingdom is for sale. Slovakia, 15,365 k's. Amigos Castle, just 1 kilometre that way. Windsor Castle. Mawson Station. Well, let's have a look, shall we? Bit of bore water, please be patient. Bore water is 3,000 metres deep, so it does take a while to come up. It'll take quite a while. The old glass thing, you know. So say, babe?
Believed to be the largest, the tallest bell tower in the world constructed with beer bottles.
I'd go further and say the only. Still pretty cool.
It's very cool, actually.
It's huge. Alright, let's go and have a look at the Ridge Castle. There's a bit of a dragon here. Someone will correct me on it. It's probably not a dragon, it's some kind of a, I don't know, something from the game. I think it might be time Nain wore her cloak. We have a knight here which is going to protect Nain. Hold on, Nain. Come, babe. Come on. For the people at home. We've got a photo. Do you want to make me put the photo on? And then I'll do it. This is Queen Julian. There we go, look. Hang on. You need your hat. You can't have that hat. That's not the hat of royalty. This one is the hat of royalty. Sit in your seat.
I don't know how many people probably put this in their head.
How many people are going to watch this?
Wow, yeah.
Eh? There she is. On her throne, look. I have to kneel before her now, everybody. There we go. No one wants to see me with it on, so oh, I'll tell you what else you can do while we're here. You can get yourself in this.
Exactly.
There's a cannon over here. Yeah, it's so cool. All the cans that made this fence. Bit of a cannon, some cannonballs there. Made out of bowling balls. The historic site, the Royal Siege of 1994. All those beer cans. Eh, and bottles. Very, very good. Newcastle, 730 k's that way. Only 5:30. Castle Drawbridge.
Craig is definitely where he belongs. You stay there. I'll grab the keys out of your pocket.
Hey, it's locked.
Yeah,
I
good.
can't get out.
All right, we'll see you.
At the castle, everybody, and I'm just heading into here because Nain said she wanted some KFC. And there's KFC. Oh, it's no drive-through. Spilling. It's
I
not
think
open.
this is private property though.
Alright, so we'll just do you here.
That's quite funny, that actually.
That is quite good, eh? Yes. You're in the middle of Lightning Ridge. And somebody's yeah, I know, I'm gonna go that way. Alright, got to do a bit of a sharp turn here.
That's quite funny, that. Put a KFC drive-through.
So that's the KFC drive for everybody. Red car door tour. And we have found.
Started in 1981, the scaffolding consisted of 44-gallon drums with planks arranged one above the other.
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool in there though. Another blue tree in there.
This is it, and then it says turn left back to Civilization on Black Prince Drive and continue up the intersection to Opal Street. So that's the end of the red tour.
Hey guys, I think we've done this one before, but this is just a walking mine that we're going to. Thought we'd check it out. It's a little bit windy today. The weather's still nice, still pretty hot, but yeah, just a breeze blowing. So we'll check it out and see what we can find there. Oh, you're going to go into the jail now? No?
Maybe later.
Maybe later? Alright, cool. Mini windmill?
Oh, you can go. I'll
No, you're right. I'm going to do a little entry thing.
just hold that for 1 second, just so I
Women. Hey? Can't live with them. Can't live without them. I don't know.
can. That's better.
Better?
Yes.
Okay guys, so we are going into a underground mine. I think this one's self-guided. Oh look, you're Sweetie. This one,
Your muscles.
Muscles, is it? Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Muscles and Sweetie. So we'll give you a bit of a look. See what we find down here. This is the entrance, so I'll flip the camera and you just can come down and do this mine tour with us. What's your noggin? Whoa. crystals. Opal. Oh no, it's just a peg. Oh, that's why you get hard hats. Oh wow. So, yeah, fair way down. Look around, notice that the roof's changed dramatically, followed by an opal bearing clay level. This can be seen at number 3. So this is a mine that's no longer in use obviously, but once was. They've been digging for opal down here, going off in different directions. Mine is a very short, I've noticed. They're definitely not 6 foot tall. I'm going to dig to look for opal. Look. This would be your... I don't know, I can't say anything because I wouldn't have a clue. But I'm assuming this little layer here is the layer they're talking about. It changes colour, you've got sandstone. And then it sort of distinctively changes there, and that seems to be what they're trying to dig out. But then it changes down the bottom too. So, who knows? Oh, it's getting dark down here, boys. Another one here that they've started digging out. Quite scary in a way. Under the ground, not much holding the roof up. You just collapse at any friggin' time, really. It's pretty cool. You see here some of the stuff that another exit there, obviously. Means exit only. Again, they just use this wood to support the roof. Hey guys, so we're back out of the mine now.
Yeah.
And we're going to do ourselves some fossicking.
Yeah.
Nan's going to fossick and make us rich. She's going to make us rich. So let's, this is like a free fossicking area where you can just go through some of the, what they brought out of the ground and make your millions.
Make my millions. Bloody bright.
It is quite bright, isn't it? You bring it out of the ground, it's very light coloured. You haven't got anything to fossick with,
No. I could just use my
eh?
hand.
You
I don't really know what I'm looking for.
No, I don't either, to be honest. I didn't bring a shovel to dig. But I do believe they just dumped this here. I doubt you'd find anything of real value because the miners would have taken it.
Yeah.
This is what they dump. But you never know. I can't really see anything here. Last time we come here we did get a few little bits, eh?
Yeah.
Nothing too major. But I suppose you don't need much to make a ring. The last one I found, I actually made a ring for Nane out of it. And if you want to show everybody at home.
Big fibber.
Fibber?
You big fibber.
Wow. So, but this is a fossicking area anyway. You can come here, fossick, go through it, see if you can find something. This looks like one of those, if we watched a video, it's kind of like a cement mixer, but this is what they do to separate all the mud. So they pour their stone into this, it spins,
Yeah.
and as it's turning, the mud comes out of it, and they're just left with a rock, and then they reverse it, push it back out, and then they go through the rock, see what they find. I guess whatever they find, they go and get it valued and take it down and get their money for it. Yeah, agitator. So it's obviously an old one that's no longer in use. Would have probably seen a lot of opal though in its day. And you can throw it on here, what you find when you're fossicking, and go through and see if you've got anything of value in here. I would say you'd be looking more for this sort of stuff because it's the colour.
Yeah,
So, but there you go.
very interesting.
Alright, we'll head back to the car and continue on our Lightning Ridge tour. There's what they pull it out of the ground with. This one probably would have been used on this mine site, I'd say.
Yeah.
As with that agitator.
Did you just see the fly?
Yeah, it went in my mouth. I'm like, phew.
One nearly went up my nose.
I love the flies, even in the middle of winter. Although we're coming into spring now. Got like one more day of winter, then we're spring. September coming very quickly, unfortunately. Alright, let's get back in Rupert and
Get some lunch.
go and get ourselves some lunch, eh?
Yeah.
Cool. Hey guys, we're just having a bit of a date night. We're at Lightning Ridge and we are heading up to the bowling club.
Yes.
It's walking distance from our van park here, so we're just having a bit of a walk. The van's back that way. And the club, if I can do it without pausing it, is just over there. Cool. So we will see you guys in the morning.
Yeah. It's never fun.
Pack up day. Leaving in good old Lightning Ridge. Look at it. Another perfect day. Got the car all hooked up. We're actually just waiting for the washing machine to finish. Got the water still hooked up. And that's about it. Got that unlocked obviously because I've got to still put the taps away, so I'll leave that open so I can remember. We lost our little step. It's another breakage.
How'd we lose it?
Hey.
How'd we lose our step?
Well,
babe?
I was going to have a drink, so I let Noan drive. And she drove over the step. It was right here, about here.
You big fibber.
And she decided to drive through with a car and bang into the step. Now the step's in the bin right down there. The yellow bin has got our step. So now we've got to get another step. We've got to get another table, another step. We've got to get another leveling bubble.
It was quite funny.
But we're waiting on that washing machine, look. Yeah, it was quite funny. There's nothing like running over $50. Hilarious. Oh dear. I think we've been on the road too long. The amusement.
No, breakages don't matter.
Breakages don't matter anymore. I'm going to go and put my great Capel hat on because it's quite blind in the sun. And Rupert's got to take us to our next free camp. But she'll be right. Rupert will get us there. She's been good, Rupert. Or he's been good. Hasn't let us down. Alright, cool.